Hi boys and girls. Today we're doing lesson 1. Our learning goal for today is I can describe numbers using 5 groups. To start our lesson today, you're going to need a whiteboard to solve our application problem. Pause the video while you go and get what you need. Press play when you're ready to continue. Alright boys and girls, let's get started. Dora found 5 leaves that blew in through the window. Then she found 2 more leaves that blew in. Draw a picture and use numbers to show how many leaves Dora found in all. Go ahead and pause the video to give yourself some time to solve the problem. Press play when you're ready to continue. All right, boys and girls, good job warming up those brains. We're going to be number detectives. What is a detective? Is it someone who solves mysteries, looks for clues? If someone is looking for clues, that does not mean they are easy to find. No, usually they're hidden or require you to pay careful attention. How can someone be a really good detective? What skills do they need? Today, we are going to become number detectives, looking for hidden numbers. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, turn to your 10 frame page in your student toolkit. This is going to be one of the tools we'll use today to find our hidden numbers. How many spaces are in the top row? How many are in the bottom? How many are all together? I'm going to go ahead and pass out some supplies for you, and I'm going to have you fill in the top row. Pause the video while you get ready. Press play when you're ready to continue. Okay, how many beads are on our tens frame? 5. Good job. Oh goodness, who's that little guy? Oh yes, he's our number detective. I think he's trying to remind me of a goal today, to be a number detective. Let's see. Wow, I do see a hidden number in that 5. Yeah, I do. This must mean I'm working hard at being a number detective. Do you know what number I found? 2. I found a hidden 2 in that 5. Wait a minute. When I found my 2, I noticed another number as well. Does anyone see the other number hidden in my 5? 3. That's right. Okay, so let me just think for a minute. I know I have a 2 and a 3 hidden in my 5, so that means I have 5 total, right? I know detectives like to be organized, so I'm going to use another tool to help me organize my thoughts. This tool is a number bond. It is a big circle, and in the big circle goes the total or the whole amount. In this case, that's the 5. What was one of the numbers I found hidden in the 5? I don't remember. Let's look back. Oh yes, 2, that's right. So 2 is part of 5. I'm going to put that into my number bond. Remember, detectives like to be organized with their notes. So 5 was the total, and it went to the biggest circle. Now, reaching off that total bubble is one of the parts. Since 2 was hidden in 5, I know it's a part of 5. I can put 2 in one of the part bubbles. Now all I need to do is complete my detective notes and fill in that last part of 5. Does anyone remember the other hidden number we saw in 5? Turn and tell your buddy if you remember what the other number is. Oh yeah, 3. So 3 is the part that goes with the 5. I'm going to put that in my number bond to help me keep myself organized. You know, sometimes I forget how to use my tools. If you look in your student toolkit, you'll see a picture of a number bond using apples. I like to think of this picture when I'm filling in my number bonds. the total or the whole apple is on top, and the two parts reach off the whole apple. In math, we just use numbers instead of apple slices. All right, I think we're totally rocking this number detective business. Tell your neighbor, wowza, we rock! Now you're going to practice looking for hidden numbers in other numbers. Let's add 2 more beads to our tens frame. Friends, what number is this? 7, that's right. Turn and talk with your neighbor. Tell them what hidden numbers you see in this 7. What excellent conversations! Yes, there are actually a lot of hidden numbers. However, I'm going to go a little wild and give you a challenge. Today, my challenge to you is to look first for hidden 5s. Here we go. Does anyone see that hidden 5? There it is. Okay, let's organize how we talk about this 7. I need to squish things over a little bit and add in our number bond. That's better. Okay, so I have 7 in total. I know that goes in the biggest bubble because that's the total and that's the whole amount. I found a hidden 5, so that's one of the parts. Can anyone tell me what the other part would be? 2. Excellent, detectives. If I didn't know, I could even use my magic counting sticks. This time, I even drew a little picture in my number bond to help me show all the parts. Okay, detectives, you're totally rocking this. So here we go. I'm going to have you look at a few more numbers and find those hidden parts. Have you build the tens frame on your mats as you move along. I want to see what you guys can do. Good luck, detectives.